way that you feel it, but listen carefully to the sound of your going as like a heartbeat drives you mad in the stillness of remembering what you had and what you lost. Welcome, Unclesville. How are you? We're very glad to be here. We got to fly in on a helicopter. It was truly magnificent. I got to photograph my Barbie sitting in the window with the background of New York and then here the whole time. So I'm really glad to be here, and I am hoping that you are glad to be here too. So let's get this Unclesville party started.